Are you a man over 50 looking to revitalize your health naturally and enhance your overall well-being? Today, we delve into the ancient practice of acupressure, a powerful technique rooted in traditional Chinese medicine that uses finger pressure instead of needles. Our goal is to teach you specific acupressure points and techniques designed to enhance male vitality, addressing common concerns like low libido and energy levels. Acupressure is a safe, accessible self-healing method that you can easily practice at home, empowering you to take control of your health. At its core, acupressure works by influencing the flow of qi, or vital energy, through specific meridian lines that crisscross your body. Blockages in these energy pathways can lead to various health issues, including sexual dysfunction, by disrupting the body's natural balance. By applying pressure to specific points, acupressure aims to release these blockages, restoring harmony and promoting the body's innate healing capabilities. This technique also stimulates the nervous and vascular systems, potentially improving blood flow and balancing hormone levels crucial for male vitality. Let's explore some key acupressure points for male vitality, starting with the C of Qi, or CV6. Located approximately 1.5 inches below your navel, stimulating CV6 involves applying firm pressure with your fingers for 1 to 2 minutes while breathing deeply. This point is known to boost male vitality, address erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, and strengthen overall energy. Next is the gate origin, or CV4, found 4 fingers width below the belly button, between the navel and the pubic bone. Apply significant pressure here for 1 to 2 minutes, maintaining deep breaths to relieve erectile dysfunction, urinary inconsistency, and lower back pain. The kidney shoe, or bladder 23, is located in the lower back, between the second and third lumbar vertebrae, 2 finger widths from the spine. Rub this area to generate heat, then press firmly with your thumbs and fingertips for 1 minute to help with infertility, impotence, fatigue, and lower back pain. The 3 meeting, or SP6, is on the inside of the leg, 4 fingers width above the inner ankle bone. Applying firm pressure here for 1 to 2 minutes can treat male sexual dysfunctions, balance hormones, and improve overall vitality. Now let's discuss the $1 million point, also known as huyin, located midway between the anus and the scrotum in the perineum. Use your index and middle fingers to press firmly with deep, slow breathing to nourish vitality, improve sexual function, and strengthen pelvic floor muscles. It's important to note the controversy surrounding this point. Always exercise caution and listen to your body. Finally, the corona ridge, found beneath the head of the manhood. Begin with a gentle pinch and release, then glide your fingers in circles around the ridge for 2 minutes to increase nerve sensitivity and blood flow. Beyond the body, your hands also hold powerful points for vitality. Let's explore them. Lao Gong, or the heart of the palm, is located at the center of your palm. Applying pressure here helps restore circulation. The Xiao Fu, or emotional reset switch, is also on the hand. Pressure on this point aids in restoring circulation and improving sleep. The pineal reflex zone, or sleep switch, also on the hand, similarly helps restore circulation and promotes restful sleep. To perform acupressure effectively, create a serene environment with minimal distractions. Take several deep breaths to relax your body and mind before you begin. Use firm but never painful pressure on each point, ensuring comfort throughout the process. Massage each point for 30 seconds to 2 minutes, using small circular motions. Repeat this routine 2 to 3 times a day for at least 4 weeks to achieve the best results. For optimal benefits, combine acupressure with healthy lifestyle habits, including a balanced diet and regular exercise. While acupressure offers promising natural benefits, it is not a substitute for professional medical treatment. Always consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Research on acupressure for conditions like erectile dysfunction is still evolving, yet it continues to show significant promise. We encourage you to try these techniques and share your experiences in the comments below. Remember, men over 50 can absolutely take control of their vitality and well-being through natural, empowering methods like acupressure.
Welcome to stage 2 of our series, where we delve into the fascinating science behind the pressure point technique, a natural health method gaining significant recognition for its potential benefits. This stage will explore the physiological mechanisms that make this ancient practice relevant in modern health discussions. This technique, deeply rooted in ancient practices from various cultures, involves the precise application of pressure to specific points on the body. The goal is to influence a wide array of physiological responses, promoting balance and well-being within the body's intricate systems. Modern science is increasingly beginning to unravel the complex ways these pressure points, which often correspond to well-known acupuncture points, interact with our central and peripheral nervous systems. This intersection of ancient wisdom and contemporary research is truly exciting. When pressure is applied to these specific points, it stimulates nerve endings located just beneath the skin. This stimulation sends a cascade of signals to the brain and other vital parts of the body, initiating a series of internal responses. These signals can notably trigger the release of endorphins, which are the body's own natural painkillers. This endogenous opioid system can significantly help alleviate discomfort, reduce pain perception, and promote a profound sense of well-being and relaxation. Furthermore, research suggests that stimulating certain pressure points can also positively influence localized and systemic blood flow, reduce inflammatory responses throughout the body, and even modulate immune system functions, enhancing the body's natural defenses. For men over 50, understanding this intricate mechanism is particularly crucial for appreciating how pressure point therapy can effectively support overall health, maintain vitality, and address age-related concerns in a natural, non-invasive way. One key aspect of this scientific understanding involves the vagus nerve, a major component of the parasympathetic nervous system. This nerve plays a vital and extensive role in regulating relaxation, promoting recovery, and maintaining internal organ function. Certain pressure points, when activated through gentle or firm stimulation, can directly stimulate the vagus nerve. This stimulation leads to a profound calming effect, significantly reducing stress levels and fostering a state of tranquility. This vagal stimulation is particularly beneficial for managing stress-related conditions, such as anxiety and chronic tension, and for improving sleep quality, which are common and often debilitating concerns within this specific age group. Another compelling scientific explanation for the efficacy of pressure points involves the gate control theory of pain. According to this theory, pressure stimulation can effectively close the gate on pain signals, preventing them from traveling to the brain. This mechanism explains why applying pressure to certain areas can provide immediate and noticeable relief from localized pain or discomfort, offering a quick and accessible method for pain management without medication. The body's meridian system, while not yet fully understood or universally accepted by conventional Western medicine, is a foundational and integral concept in traditional pressure point therapies, offering a holistic framework for healing. These meridians are traditionally believed to be invisible pathways or channels through which vital energy, often referred to as qi or life force, flows throughout the body. Blockages or imbalances in these pathways are thought to lead to various health issues. By stimulating specific points along these meridian pathways, practitioners aim to restore the balanced and harmonious flow of qi. This restoration is believed to promote natural healing processes and enhance overall wellness. While more rigorous research is continually emerging and expanding our understanding, the growing body of scientific evidence consistently supports the tangible physiological benefits of incorporating pressure point techniques into a health regimen. It represents a non-invasive, drug-free, and accessible approach that many individuals find remarkably effective for managing a wide range of conditions, from chronic pain and headaches to anxiety and digestive issues, without adverse side effects. Understanding the underlying science empowers individuals to make more informed and proactive decisions about incorporating these natural methods into their personal health regimen, fostering a sense of control over their well-being. This holistic approach aligns perfectly with a comprehensive view of health, recognizing the profound interconnectedness of the body's various systems and how they influence one another to maintain optimal function. For those actively seeking complementary therapies to enhance their health and quality of life, the scientific principles behind pressure points offer a compelling and evidence-based reason to explore their significant potential. It is always essential to consult with a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new health practice or therapy, especially if you have existing underlying medical conditions or are currently taking medications, to ensure safety and efficacy. The image of a smiling woman in a doctor's coat, like the one provided, embodies the professional, trustworthy, and compassionate guidance that is absolutely essential for safely and effectively exploring such natural health techniques. In our next stage, we will transition from theory to practice, exploring specific practical applications and detailing particular pressure points that are especially beneficial for common health concerns among men over 50, providing actionable insights. Thank you for joining us in this deep dive into understanding the scientific underpinnings of this powerful and increasingly recognized natural health approach. We hope this information empowers you on your wellness journey.
Welcome to Stage 3, Breathwork and Energy Flow Integration, a crucial step in enhancing your overall well-being and vitality. Breath is the very foundation of life, often overlooked, yet it holds immense power to influence our physical, mental, and emotional health. For men over 50, conscious breath work becomes even more vital. It helps combat age-related stress, improve cardiovascular health, and maintain robust energy levels. We'll explore how specific breathing techniques can unlock your body's innate healing capabilities and optimize your internal energy systems. Understanding energy flow, known as qi in Chinese medicine or prana in yogic traditions, is key. This life force circulates through intricate pathways, impacting every cell. When this energy flows freely, we experience optimal health. Blockages, however, can lead to fatigue, discomfort, and various health issues. Our first technique is diaphragmatic breathing or belly breathing, which is the most efficient way to breathe, maximizing oxygen intake and calming the nervous system. This deep breathing stimulates the vagus nerve, activating your parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and digestion. To begin, find a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting upright. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Inhale slowly through your nose, allowing your abdomen to gently rise as your diaphragm contracts. Your chest should remain relatively still. Then, exhale slowly through pursed lips, feeling your abdomen gently fall inward. Aim for a smooth, controlled release of air. Practice this for 5 to 10 minutes daily. You'll notice a profound sense of calm and increased oxygenation throughout your body. Next, we introduce box breathing, a powerful technique for immediate stress reduction and enhanced mental focus, perfect for busy schedules. This method involves 4 equal parts: inhale, hold, exhale, and hold, each for a count of 4 seconds. Inhale deeply for 4 counts, feeling your lungs fill. Hold your breath gently for 4 counts without straining. Exhale slowly for 4 counts, releasing all the air. Then, hold your breath out for 4 counts before beginning the next cycle. Repeat this cycle for several minutes whenever you feel overwhelmed or need to sharpen your concentration. Conscious breathing acts as a direct conduit to your body's energy. By regulating your breath, you actively influence the flow of qi or prana. Deep, rhythmic breaths help to clear energetic blockages, allowing vital energy to circulate freely, nourishing your organs and systems. The benefits for men over 50 are extensive: improved cardiovascular health, better cognitive function, and enhanced emotional regulation. Regular practice also boosts your immune system, reduces inflammation, and can significantly improve sleep quality, leading to more restorative rest. Integrating breath work into your daily life is simpler than you think. Start your day with 5 minutes of diaphragmatic breathing. Practice box breathing during short breaks at work, before meals to aid digestion, or in the evening to unwind before sleep. Consider creating a dedicated, quiet space for your practice, even if it's just a comfortable chair in a peaceful corner of your home. Breath work is a powerful bridge connecting your mind, body, and spirit, fostering a holistic sense of balance, inner peace, and resilience. For those ready to explore further, techniques like alternate nostril breathing or Nadi Shodhana can balance the left and right hemispheres of the brain. The true power of breathwork lies in consistency. Regular, even short, daily practice will yield profound and lasting improvements in your health. Be patient with yourself as you begin. There's no need for perfection, just a gentle commitment to showing up for your practice. Always listen to your body. If any technique feels uncomfortable, modify it or consult with a qualified instructor. Embrace these breathwork techniques to unlock a renewed sense of vitality, calm, and energetic balance in your life. Thank you for joining us in Stage 3. Continue your journey towards optimal health and discover the transformative power of your own breath.
Welcome to Stage 4 of our series, focusing on long-term maintenance and establishing a daily vitality routine for men over 50. This stage is crucial for sustaining the benefits you've gained and integrating healthy habits into your everyday life. Let's begin by exploring the profound impact of mindful breathing on your overall well-being. Deep, diaphragmatic breathing can significantly reduce stress, improve oxygen circulation, and enhance mental clarity. Practice this for 5 to 10 minutes each morning, focusing on slow, controlled inhales and exhales. Next, we'll delve into the importance of flexibility and mobility through regular stretching. Incorporating a daily stretching routine helps maintain joint health, improves posture, and prevents injuries, which is vital as we age. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to dynamic and static stretches, targeting major muscle groups. Proper nutrition is a cornerstone of vitality, and certain foods offer exceptional benefits. Pumpkin seeds, for instance, are packed with zinc, essential for prostate health and testosterone production. Avocados provide healthy monounsaturated fats, supporting heart health and nutrient absorption. Aim for a balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Now, let's explore how the ancient practice of yoga can significantly enhance your daily vitality. Yoga combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation, offering a holistic approach to health. It improves strength, balance, flexibility, and mental focus, all crucial for men over 50. Even 20 to 30 minutes of gentle yoga a few times a week can make a remarkable difference. Finally, let's discuss the often underestimated pillar of health: restful and restorative sleep. Quality sleep is essential for hormone regulation, muscle repair, cognitive function, and overall energy levels. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to allow your body to fully recover and rejuvenate. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensure your sleep environment is dark and cool. By consistently integrating these practices into your daily life, you're not just maintaining health, you're actively enhancing your vitality. Remember, consistency is key to unlocking the full potential of these natural health methods. Embrace this journey towards sustained well-being and a vibrant, energetic life.